welcome back to my channel. So guys, quick one, I'm going to be installing this beautiful bob wig in this video. So I got this wig from HeyHair7. The good thing about this wig is that it is only about $80. I'm going to be leaving the price on the screen and I'll be installing it in this video. By the way, I'm going to leave the link to this hair in the description box. Don't forget to check it out, guys. It's a really beautiful wig. The texture is superb and it literally does not shred. Don't forget, guys, if you are watching this video and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. In the words of my new favorite YouTuber, Cutty, no one has ever died from subscribing, so please hit the subscribe button. And now let's get right into this video. So guys, this is my package from HeyHair7 and I really love the packaging. It feels unique and very different from the other packages I've received in the past. I feel that it's really just simple and handy. So guys, I'll be going on to install this wig right now. This is all that was inside the bag. So I have my wig cap and my wig. So this is a 12-inch bob wig, a 12-inch 13x4 frontal bob wig, and this is going to be a very quick video and I'm not going to be talking so much in this video because I'm trying to just really get done with this video because my light has been unstable and they just brought the light, so I'm trying to make good use of this opportunity because I feel that they are going to take this light very soon. So let's quickly dive into the video, guys. That is it, guys, for this Bob wig install. Don't forget, if you enjoyed watching this video, give me a thumbs up, drop a comment in the comment section, and definitely check out this store, HeyHair7. I'll be leaving the link in my description box, and go get 1 or 2 wigs from them. Okay guys, this is it for this video. Again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.